All right, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys all about sets in mathematics. So what is a set? What is an element? How do we write out roster notation? We're going to look at a couple of examples here. Then we're going to answer a question that I have written up over on the other side. So first off, what is a set? A set is a collection of elements. So our elements are found within our set. So these are our elements here, 10, 4, 2, and 6. And the overall set is set in, which is labeled. So this is an closed caption here with the circle. Here I did more of a box for set F. And in set F, it looks like we don't have numerical values. We've got some images. I did my best with my drawings for you. Looks like we've got a cloud, a sun, a moon, and a star. Okay, so what is a set? A set is a collection of objects. What are the elements? The elements are the objects within the set. So we have set in and set F. And if I want to list out roster notation for each one of these sets, I would just say the title of the set, in this case, set in. So I'm going to say n is equal to, and then I'm going to use these brackets. Okay, so I need two brackets, one on each side. And then over here, what I'm going to be doing is just listing out all the values that are within my set. So I'm going to say 2, 4, 6, and 10. Now you probably noticed that I put these in numerical value, 2, 4, 6, 10. So we're increasing. I put the lowest value first, the highest value last. Do I have to do that in a roster notation? I don't. I can put them in whatever order I want. So I could just grab an eraser real quick here. I could erase 2, erase 10, 4, and I can just move those around. I could put 4 first. I could put 2 second. I could keep 10 at the end. It doesn't matter what order these are in. Again, 4 could go at the end, 10 could go at the beginning. Which order you put these in really doesn't matter. Really doesn't have an effect. I could even put multiple 2s in there. I could put the value of 2 down 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times because 2 is within the set. Doesn't matter how many times it pops up. If it's a part of the set, they can pop up multiple times because it's a part of our set. 2 is one of those values. So if I want to include one more 2 here at the end, is that okay? It sure is. Now we've got 2 values of 2 in there, but that's still good. My roster notation is clean. Okay, set F. Now, if I'm going to write out set F, I'm going to say F, that's the set title, is equal to, I'm going to write down a bracket. And now I'm going to list out what's in this set. We've got a cloud. We've got a sun. We've got the moon. And we've got a star. Does it matter what order I wrote these out in? It does not. It could go in any order it wants. I could write down the word sun twice if I wanted to, 3 times. It would not have an effect on my roster notation because the sun is a part of the set. Okay, now let's go to this value or this problem over here. Select the statement that is false. So specifically, we are looking for the false statement. So we are given the set S in roster notation. They're telling us we are looking for a set S of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have to look down here. We have 3 roster notations. All S is equal to, S is equal to, S is equal to. So we're trying to match up with this set here. So we need a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. So I've got a 4, I've got a 3, I've got a 2, I've got a 1, but they're going from high to low. Does that matter? Nope. Remember what I told you over here. It doesn't matter what order we put those numbers in, as long as they're all in there. So we are good here. This one checks. So we're looking for the false one. A is not it. A is good. S is equal to 4, 4. Ooh, there's 2 4s. Is it okay to put the value down twice? It sure is. Remember I talked about it in this example here where I wrote 2 down twice. Even though we see 2 in the set once, we can write it in roster notation 2 times. Okay, so this is also okay. We have the 4, we got the 1, we got the 2, we got the 3. This checks. Leaving us with C, which is probably going to be our false one, but let's check it to make sure and figure out what it is that makes set C, or yeah, the C answer for set S. Let's see which part of this makes it false. So we've got 1, we've got 2, 2 pops up 3 times, which we've already confirmed is okay. We've got 3, but what are we missing here? We're missing 4. Well, not with that one, but remember, in set S, we have a 4. If we don't show a 4 in this set, we are not clearly stating set S because we are missing one of the values needed. So this one is not true, meaning C would be your answer for the false statement in this given problem. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you got a basic understanding of how sets and elements work, and then we're gonna deep dive into them so that we can start to really represent what are sets, what are our elements of those sets, and how do they play a factor in our math world. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.